Hi guys, I just received my Ipsy Glam bag for January 2020, and this is what the bag looks like. It's in a marble sort of print here, and yeah, it's in a vinyl, and it has the little Ipsy tab on the end of the zipper. So cute. And I have taken the items out of the bag, and I want to show you what I received for January 2020. And this is the card that came in there, and it says clean slate, and on the inside it has a list of the products. Now, the first item I received is called Sietta London, and this is a blush, and it's called, let's see, it's called Date Night. And I will show you what it looks like on the inside. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And again, this is by Sietta. And I'm just going to read you what it says here. It says illuminating blush in date night. And this is her photo. And it is a Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kiss. And the next thing I receive is from Oprah. And this is a highlighter for the face. And I'm just going to open it and show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And again, this is what it looks like here. And it's the shimmery one right here. That's right before the eyeliner that I'm going to show you. So this is what it looks like. It's on the top. Then the next one that I received is a liner. And this is a erase cell. I hope I'm saying it right. Sorry if I'm not. But I'll just tell you that's what it is. And it's a liquid liner, and it's in Coffee Cafe. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. It has this pretty point. I like the eyeliners like this. And again, this is what it looks like here. Then this is what it looks like on my hand, the eyeliner pencil. It's the brown one. And then I got this product, and it says Brook, USA. And it says beauty. It says beauty for real. Sorry about the little cap coming off, but yeah. And this is a lipstick if I'm not mistaken, and I'll show you what it looks like. It is, let me just make sure it's a Lip Revival tinted lip balm in Laura, and it's called Beauty for Real. And this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty color. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on my hand. Yeah, I'm going to show you that. Let me just put it here because it's not staying. So this is the color that it is. The bottom one. This is what it looks like. And yeah, these are all the products. These are all the products that I received in my Ipsy Glam bag for January 2020. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And yeah. My next one will be for Sephora, which will be this week. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And goodbye.